Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're making a beautiful and elegant crochet coaster with a little flower and a cute bud on top. It's perfect for adding a touch of charm to your home or giving as a handmade gift. Before we start, make sure to grab your 3mm yarn and a 2.5mm crochet hook. And if you haven't already, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel so you never miss out on new crochet tutorials. Let's get started. For round 1, we'll begin with a magic ring. Chain 2, then repeat this pattern 12 times. 1 double crochet and chain 1. Finish the round with a slip stitch. Take your time with the magic ring. It's the foundation of the piece. You're doing great. Next, round 2. Chain 2, then work 3 double crochets, chain 2, and skip 2 stitches. Repeat that 6 times. End with a slip stitch. Tip: count your stitches carefully so each petal gets a consistent base. Now for round 3. Chain 2, make 6 double crochets, 1/2 double crochet, then skip 3 stitches. Now work 1/2 double crochet, 6 double crochets, 1/2 double crochet, and skip 3 stitches. Repeat that entire sequence 5 more times, then slip stitch to finish. You're shaping the outer petals here. Keep your tension even for a smooth finish. On to round 4. Chain 5, make 1 double crochet. Then chain 6, skip 8 stitches and do this. Double crochet, chain 2, double crochet, repeat that 5 times. Chain 6, skip 8 stitches again, and slip stitch to close. Awesome work. This row gives your piece a lovely lacy frame. Round 5 coming up. Chain 2, work 3 double crochets, chain 1, then 8 double crochets. Repeat this, 3 double crochets, chain 1, and 8 double crochets 5 more times. Slip stitch to close. You're building beautiful petal clusters here. It's really starting to bloom. For round 6, chain 2 and work 1 double crochet in each double crochet from the previous round until the end. Finish with a slip stitch. This round adds fullness. Try not to crochet too tightly so it lays flat. Now for a decorative edge in round 7. Repeat this 24 times. 1 single crochet, chain 4, skip 2 stitches and single crochet again. Slip stitch at the end. You're adding loops for that delicate lacy finish. Keep going, it's looking beautiful. For round 8, we'll add detail to the loops. Repeat this pattern. Single crochet, chain 4, skip 1 stitch, slip stitch, chain 3, skip 4, then single crochet. Keep going until the end. Almost there. This final round brings it all together so neatly. Now let's crochet the flower. Start with a magic ring. Chain 5, skip 2 stitches, half double crochet, single crochet, slip stitch. Repeat that sequence 5 more times. You've just made a sweet little flower to decorate your coaster. Well done. And finally, the bud. Start with a magic ring and make 5 double crochets inside. Then pull the ring tight and close it into a popcorn stitch. So adorable, right? It adds the perfect finishing touch to your coaster. And that's it. Your crochet coaster with a flower and bud is complete. I hope you had fun making this with me. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more tutorials, and share your creations in the comments. Until next time, happy crocheting!